Assalamu alaikum student. As you know, this is our book KUW, which stands for Knowledge and Understanding of the World. Today we're gonna start our new topic, that is plants. Today we will learn about the parts of a plant. So let's get started. This part is under the ground and it is called root. Okay, this part is called stem and it helps the plant to stand. And this part is called leaves. Okay, you already know this part of the plant. Yes, this is flower. From this diagram, we have learned there are four parts of the plants. Number one, root. Number two, stem. Number three, leaves. Number four, flower. Okay, now open your book, page number 65. In this page, you will see a picture of a plant. So you have to do an activity in this page. In this activity, you will label the parts of the plant in the right place. And I have said earlier the parts of the plant, which are root, stem, leaf, and flower.
Now we are going to do an activity. So hold your pencil in your hand and label the parts of the plant by yourself. Here I would say to draw a picture like this in your rough copy and label the parts of the plant again to do more practice. I hope you have enjoyed your today's lesson. Take care and Allah Hafiz.